Hi guys, it's Madbird Studios here, and today I'm going to show you my mouse trap, bird trap. So it's a bird trap using a mouse trap. So this was one of my inventions, and so what here is some plastic mesh type stuff as a net, a large mouse or rat trap. Here's what I did. Took out the original piece here and made a new one out of steel rods. So like that. And I got some copper wire and threaded it through the net and the wire to connect it. Attach the spring and everything. So this is how it's gonna work. So this is how I set it up. Just get the wire and thread it through a hole like that. Put it on the mouse trap bait thingy. Bait on. So that's it set up there. So you put the bait on there. This does not kill the birds, which is good. So I like releasing them after. So the bird flies in, hits the bait, and the net flies over and traps them. And then I just release them by lifting up the net, and they'll fly away. Thanks for watching. It's Madbird Studios.